All right, guys, the day is here. Liz is here. She and I have been texting all day. They landed safely. They are on the Magical Express heading to Pop Century. So I grabbed her big bag of goodies that I have for her. I hopped in the car and we are going to go have some dinner, possibly do a room tour depending on how she and Jackson are feeling. You guys, I just gotta say, I'm so pumped. I feel like Liz and I have gotten really close since we've been talking over text message and Instagram, and to be able to finally meet her in person, I am just so excited. So let's stop talking and let's start driving. There you go, now you're recording. You're good to go.
Okay, so the first thing we're gonna start off with is the bed. We got a nice shower, soap right there, 2 showers, and slide door. Got a nice sink, bar soap. And here's like a lot of storage. There's a lot of storage over here. And I got the bed again. So I have the charger, TV. I got a nice counter, table. So that bed right back, that cabinet goes down the bed. So here's where we put our luggage. The trash can right here. And looking at it, there's a big light. Got like some coffee center right here. Got our fridge, some water inside. Got some coffee in here and tea. Coffee machine. And look at these. It's nice. Keep all our stuff right there. Nice chairs. Picture of Mickey. There we go. And look at this door. A slide door. And this door right here is like that. And it just slides in. Hey, what's up, me? Okay, got a mirror right there. Got like a mirror right here, like that. I got my jackets right here in the back. And that's pretty much all for my video. Thank you for watching the tour.